Welcome to this course on global digital marketing, which is a 3 months online course. It is a kind of PG certificate in global digital marketing. This is a course by ebusy.com, which is a education portal run by eBusy Institute of IB and Entrepreneurship. Let us discuss that what all is covered in this course. So my aim of this presentation is to tell you that what are the different topics which are covered in this course. So to give you a small introduction, this course is divided into two parts. The first part tells you a little bit about the global marketing and global business. So some basic concepts, some theoretical concepts it will discuss. And it will also in that part discuss that the what is digital marketing, what is social media marketing, and what are the theories behind these concepts of digital ecosystem. And in the second part, the course discusses how you can set up your own global business, how you can set up your own global e-commerce site, digital website, how you can create without spending money, without spending even a rupee. And finally, in the second part of this course, we will be discussing about how do you promote your digital business globally. So it means the topics, there are total about 10 topics in this course, starting with the importance and scope of global e-business, then basics of global business, basics of global marketing, basics of digital and social media marketing, understanding business environment for global e-business, setting up your own global e-business, developing globally accepted products and services, how to create your own website, step-by-step guide is there, without spending even a rupee, and promoting your global business digitally. So these are the total 10 topics which will be covered in this course. And let us see how this course is arranged. So this course has a curriculum, and then in this curriculum you have, as I told you, 10 topics, and each topic has certain lessons which are focusing on certain part of that topic, particular topic. And each lesson has a video lesson also, which is the main lesson actually. And it is supported by the additional reading material, links to e-resources, and web links to case studies, examples, articles, web articles, which you will find almost in all the topics. And somewhere in between, you will find the project work suggestion to enhance your knowledge. So you can have the project work done at your end. So this course requires a lot of self-motivation. So the idea is that your learning should be of a next level. And at the end of each lesson or video, you will find some kind of assignment, which will be mainly in the form of quizzes. So you are required to attempt all the quizzes. And at the end of the course, there is capstone assignment, which has to be done by you, which is a very descriptive kind of assignment, a little lengthy it may be. The idea is that you can self-assess your learning of this course. And you may have certain bonus topics which are updated from time to time for this course. And after the successful completion of this course, you will get a verified certificate and grade sheets. Grade sheets will be given to you a little later, because there are certain timings for grade sheet when the course is until the course is available, or when you have already completed the complete course, you will get the grade sheet. So let me explain to you what are the prerequisites for undertaking this course. It is recommended that you have some formal education in management and business at undergraduation or post-graduation level. So it is always recommended. Otherwise, it will be a little difficult for you to understand this course. The recommended duration for this course is 12 weeks. You can complete this course in 12 weeks. But as I told you, it's a anywhere, anytime technology pedagogy which is used in this course. So you can complete it earlier also, depending on your pace. So it's a self-paced course. And to undertake this course, eBusy account sign up is required. It is must. So you should register on the student registration page to create your own account. Otherwise, you cannot undertake this course. Thank you and good luck. Welcome to this course.